Hey foodies, let's talk rice. Fluffy, perfectly cooked rice. Whether you're whipping up sushi, meal prepping for the week, or just want an easy side dish, the right rice cooker makes all the difference. Let's check out the top 5 rice cookers of 2025 and find your new kitchen BFF. Let's get cooking. Elite Gourmet ERC2001BX. Starting off strong, the Elite Gourmet ERC2001BX is like that dependable friend who always delivers. This rice cooker is perfect for families or meal preppers thanks to its 20-cup capacity. Got a big dinner planned? No problem. It's super easy to use. Just one button and you're off. No overcomplicated settings here. The auto-warm feature keeps your rice ready to serve for hours. And the non-stick pot? Total lifesaver when it comes to cleaning. Bonus points. It also comes with a steam tray so you can knock out veggies or dumplings while the rice cooks. Affordable, reliable, and perfect for no-fuss meals. This one's a win. KitchenAid KGC3155BM Multifunction Cooker. Next up is the multitasking champ, the KitchenAid KGC3155BM. Calling this just a rice cooker feels like an understatement. It's got 10 preset modes, so yeah, you can cook rice, but also quinoa, oatmeal, or even slow-cooked stews. Feeling fancy? It bakes cakes too. The digital display makes switching between settings a breeze, and the 5.5 quart capacity means you can feed a crowd or prep meals for the week. Plus, it looks sleek with its stainless steel finish. It'll definitely upgrade your countertop game. Oh, and the delay timer is a lifesaver for busy days. Set it in the morning, and dinner's ready when you get home. This one's for the cooks who want a little bit of everything in one device. COOCOO CRPST0609FG. Now, if you're after high-tech vibes, meet the COOCOO CRPST0609FG. This thing is next level. Using induction heating technology, it evenly cooks every grain of rice to perfection. Got guests coming? It has smart voice navigation that walks you through its settings like a personal assistant. From white rice to porridge, it handles it all with ease. And let's talk pressure cooking. It locks in flavors and cuts down cooking time, which is a game changer. The non-stick inner pot is durable and easy to clean, and there's even an auto-clean function. High-tech, easy to use, and super sleek. COOCOO is for the foodies who like their kitchen gadgets smarter than their smartphones. COMFEE 6-in-1 Rice Cooker. The COMFEE rice cooker is like the Swiss Army knife of rice cookers. It's compact, but don't let the size fool you. It's a multitasking beast. With 6 cooking functions, you can steam veggies, make soup, or of course, cook perfect rice. It's got a 4-quart capacity, so it's ideal for smaller households or those who want to save space. The non-stick pot makes cleanup easy, and the delay timer lets you set it and forget it. Running late? The Keep Warm function has your back. Its stainless steel look is clean and modern, and it's light enough to move around if you need to. If versatility and simplicity are your jam, this is your go-to. GreenLife Ceramic Rice Cooker. Last but definitely not least, we've got the GreenLife Ceramic Rice Cooker, the eco-friendly option for health-conscious cooks. Its ceramic non-stick coating is free from all the nasty stuff like PFAS and lead, so you can feel good about your cooking. It's not just about health though. This cooker has modes for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and more. Plus, there's a steaming function for veggies and fish. The 4-cup capacity is great for small households or meal prep. And can we talk about how cute it looks? This cooker is all about clean eating, stylish living, and delicious results. And there you have it, the best rice cookers of 2025. Whether you want the high-tech wizardry of the COOCOO, the multitasking genius of the KitchenAid, or the health-focused simplicity of the GreenLife, there's a rice cooker here for every style of cooking. So, which one's calling your name? Check the links below, snag your favorite, and let us know in the comments how it's transforming your kitchen.